Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope all of you are doing well and working on the Go High level. So in today's video we are discussing about how to create the website with the Go High level AI feature. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you just have to go to the site, go to the website. I recommend you to create the folder, and then we have option to build with AI. Click here, and then so this is your AI website builder, and let's start the website. So first is name of the website. Okay, so let's say that we are working on the rental website, and then I think I have entered the wrong spelling. Select the business niche, and we can select the real estate, and then we want to book appointment, also generate lead, and the individual or the small businesses, also for the service and the product. Next, click on the customization. Now you have to enter the language and the tone in which AI can generate the content of your website. So first, I think USA is good to go, and the tone is professional. I think professional is good. You have to define the layout. You can select the color palette according to your business and the logo colors. And I think this one is good. Select the font. Classic is good. And next, you have to select the image style like modern and the clean, and you can select the layout. I think one side image and one side content, two column. Next, spacing default is good to go. You can select the border like fully rounded or the default. I think default is good rather than fully rounded or the shaped edge. Click on the generate. Now what you can see, I am adding this step-by-step instructions, so don't need to be confused or hesitate how you can enter the detail. You can go through guide, and I am adding all the details in this guide how to build the website with the AI. Okay, so just copy this because I have also want to create the header. Okay, so you just have to add this section, control C, control copy, and then control Z. Create a clean conversion header for the navigation menu. So this is the header prompt. Next you have to add the footer, and then this is the footer prompt. That's it. That is the only thing you have to do. I prefer you to add the logo of your business or your client and hit the generate button. So yeah, that's it. Takes some time to read out all the instruction, all the detail, generate the content, and add the style image for your website, add set the preferences, and this is a guide. This will help you to go through each section, enter the detail like business name, business niche, and the goal of the website, your target audience, and this is a language. In the step 3, you just have to select the design, adjust the spacing and the border. So you can go through and check this. I'm also add this guide inside the description. Go and grab this. Or if you want to learn how to build the website or the funnel from the scratch, I am also creating the video on that topic. Go through my channel and watch this. I am also adding the link of that videos in the top of this video, in the description of this video. You can also go through and watch the video like how to build the funnel or website from the scratch. Okay, so it takes some time. I think 4 out of 5, and yeah, everything is complete. Okay, so now you can see our website is ready, and you just have to just give me a second to check the things. I think this one, and okay, so the website adds a name because we don't add the logo or attach the logo image inside the prompt. So just give me a second to save and check the preview. So yeah, you need to edit and customize something like add the form and set the alignment of the book appointment and set these, because you have to enter the logo here and remove this number. I think we can do this right now. Delete this, and then I think we have to make it like center align. Go to the style and then center align, and this is our logo. So You can add the form, create the form, and if you want to see how to create the form, I am also creating the video on that, how to build and customize forms from scratch. So you can go through and watch the video on my YouTube channel, and now you can see how it's look like, and this website you are creating in just 10 minutes. 10 minutes is more than enough to create such website inside GoHighLevel. Now you just have to customize the things like logo, image, phone number, business email address. Okay, so you can see and check this is look, all the content is perfectly matched to your business niche. Even images are so professional and clean. Even the content and the font and the color is where you're remembering that you select the minimalistic, so everything is perfect. Also add the FAQ section and the footer. So yeah, that's it for this video. You can see you can generate the website in just 10 minutes. I think 10 minutes is more than enough to generate such website if you have a proper guide. I'm also this guide inside the description. Go and check this guide, you can access this, and then you can see how it looks professional. The images, the font, everything is professional. You just have to add the form, or if you want to learn how to add the form and how to automate the form, I am also create the videos on that topic. Go through and watch the videos on my YouTube channel, and change the images, logo, numbers according to your client demand, according to your business. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.